Hey, it's Todd, your favorite roofer with Sunbelt Roofs down here on the bayou, sunny South Louisiana. Montegut, actually, is where we're at. And we're down here working with various nonprofits and some religious groups from all over the country, trying to help this Native American tribe kind of get back on their feet from Hurricane Ida. Right, so we got groups in here framing this and building a resilient, super strong structure, and we're going to come in collaboration with and do a fortified certified roof. Right, you can kind of see the destruction on the neighboring property there. So that's kind of what these guys started with. That'll be phase 2 down here in Montegut. We're going to get this first one done, just getting started. 18 projects planned, but to set them up for success and a fortified certified roof. Until next time, your favorite roofer, Todd, Sunbelt Roofs, Montegut, Louisiana.